it's Robin, R.S. Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio, day number 10 in our Friends Advent series. Have you guys been opening up Advent boxes from other places? I love watching people open up Advent boxes. I don't care what they're opening. It could be Legos, it could be Jams a Jar, and you know every day it's a Jam a Jar, but I want to know what flavor it's going to be. It could be clothing patterns. I don't really care if it's kids' toys or whatever. I just love opening presents, and it doesn't even matter if I'm doing it or someone else is doing it. I love watching other people open up their Advents. So I hope you guys are enjoying this series. We are opening up fabric today. Now, yesterday I realized that my friend is being very thoughtful. Now, I don't want to say I'm not being thoughtful, but I didn't think that far ahead. I just found fun things that every time throughout the year I'd be like, oh, this looks like fun, let me grab that. I didn't have an overall plan. Now, my friend's been doing a great job. I wonder if this is striped fabric. My head says brown. I don't know if I've seen brown striped fabric. It's got to exist. Let's look. It's striped fabric. It's not brown. It's some more fun red Christmas fabric. This has joy, peace, seasons, greetings, all of those fun things with upside down reindeers, the really fancy ones with the big frilly horns that come up the top that you see this time of year. They're very elegant. And then a fun striped Christmas one. Oh, there you go. Let the light hit it. Dear friend, did I send you any Christmas fabric? Let's find out. On crazy, never creepy, crafty holiday Advent between friends, every now and then you just get on a roll and you forget to make the video before you wrap the gift. I like to put the gift down and measure out the paper and get it all cut, as you may have noticed. So this time I was just on a roll and I wrapped it up. What's in day 10, you may ask, and I'll let you know. It is a couple pieces of fabric, and it is also one of the blue dish drying mats from the Dollar Tree. Sorry I can't show you the fabric, but with the limited amount of wrapping paper that I have, I do not want to rip this open. I hope you understand. Again, I have no idea what she's opening today. It's been a couple months since I sent it, but did I send Christmas fabric? I don't think so. Maybe. Not today. Or did I? I don't know. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll find out what we both received. Bye.